Our team works very hard to provide great service and satisfy everyone. So we love it when they provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews. Very inspiring. So whether you're somebody we haven't seen in a while or new to us, we value everyone, new and old, and treat them equally with great service. Contact us today at the number on your screen. We want to thank you for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.